Jacob and Jacob. All right. Give a thumbs up to Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Don't want to get anything too wet.
Yeah, let's not do that. Nice. It's a lot of foam work there too. All right.
Yeah, that's my 4-channel power in these back here.
Okay.
And I got a 100 amp hour lithium, AGM, and that 7 case for the
all right. Awesome. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
So I'm Jacob Gurney, and these are 2 Sundown Nightshade V3 18s. They got the SPL surrounds on them. I stuck with the Nightshade spider back. Tuned to about 28, and they're running on a CT Sounds 7K at half ohm. It's the new team style amp. And then my doors, Def Bonts, they're all the Arnold AP M65 Neos. And they're running on a Scar RP 150.4. I got those tweets just off the head unit there.
Okay.
And then, yeah, the trunk's on that Sundown, which is actually a buddy's of mine.
Who built the box?
I built the box.
What's your cubic space and tuning on it?
So it's tuned at 28. I got about 19, almost 20 cubes after displacement. And the design, basically, I copied EXO.
Yeah.
So
very nice, man. You really built into the vehicle too, you could tell.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fully was inspired by EXO, which I happened to get him in here today.
Sweet, man. All right.
That was
exciting,
awesome.
man. That's good.
Yeah,
man.
I'm
That's
excited
cool.
to get you in here too.
Oh yeah, let's get a demo, man.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
You want high first, or you
lows.
want some lows?
Let's do only lows if that's all
Only
right.
lows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lows show more, and it just cool flex, and it gets the wind blowing. Is the window go down on this one?
Oh yeah.
All right. Nice. Did you do any SPL tests on it? See what the numbered burps were yet, or just demo?
I have never metered it at a show.
Okay.
The only time I've metered it is on my SPL lab meter, which measures to a 160, and I've peaked it out.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah, you don't know.
I'm not really
All right.
sure. But
Any roof plans?
There is a little bit of wood on the roof up here.
It is? Okay. Oh, you got the headliner over it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I gotta take it down though, because I actually have part of my wood coming off up here.
Really?
The wood's still attached over here, but it come down over on my side.
Got it.
So
Awesome. Nice to meet you, man.
yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Sir.
Thank
And your name again?
Jacob.
Jacob and Jacob. All right. Give a thumbs up to Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man. Ready to hear it, man.
Awesome.
Really musical and windy, and it doesn't even, the subs are flexing a lot, but they're not unloading, so that's nice, man.
Thank you.
Good job.
I appreciate it.
I like it.
I'm having a little issue over here with this surround. It's starting to sort of tear on me.
Yeah.
But
Any roof plans?
There is a little bit of wood on the roof up here.
It is? Okay. Oh, you got the headliner over it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I gotta take it down though, because I actually have part of my wood come off up here.
Really?
The wood's still attached over here, but it come down over on my side.
Oh, got it.
So
Awesome. Nice to meet you, man.
yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Sir.
Thank
And your
you.
name again?
Jacob.
Jacob and Jacob. All right. Give a thumbs up to Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.